everyone, so last time as I taught you 4x4 LBL first layer, so today I am going to teach you the second layer in 4x4 LBL method. So let's just begin. So first of all, tell in the comments that how was my intro. So first of all, you need to do the centers of the second layer. Here you can see this blues or can be done like this, but it is not always. So let's just scramble it this center and then see. So here, first of all, you have to keep it down and then you are to YouTube. So this comes here. So you need to try to match as many half centers as you can. So like this blue, and then you can move it like this, that it is the opposite place, the bar is exactly diagonal, and then you can join this orange and then again do that way and then put the orange in its place. Here it is not, so it should be here and down. So do this place here. It is a little difficult, but you will get used to it. So green is already made, so just put this here only. And then red is a little different. Here you should see. So first of all, here you can do like this place is whole empty, no first layer pieces are there, so you can just solve it first normally, and then like we were doing it down, instead this time we don't need to do it. First of all, do that any of these pieces are not, first layer pieces are not there, and now you need to move it on the top instead of the bottom. What happened to the blue? So move to the top and then join it here and then put it. So here all pieces will be done. So after that you need to solve these 4 edges, only these single edges. So like here you can see in the third layer, if this edge is flipped, then it means that you have to apply that algorithm. In this case in 3x3 will look like this. Yeah, so it will look like this in 3x3. So here you have to do like this to solve it. So here also you need to do the same. Algorithm was also coming at the top, and after that here again when we put it on the top of this, it is again flipped. Do that algorithm, and then let's see the inserting also. So first of all, here you can see that when you do F move, this goes in the third layer, not in the second layer. So here again it is flipped. So let me do something that it breaks. Yeah, so here you can see when we put it here, it matches, so it will be in the second layer only. So you have to do it with the beginner method, this way or like this, and then again green it is flipped. So this part is not that big like my previous one. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, Help in YouTuber. Videos are coming on every Friday 2:15 PM. Let's solve this. Now it looks good.